Hello everyone. Let us continue to our web tutorial series on HTML and HTML5. In this session, we shall be discussing the HTML abbreviation and address tag. Abbreviation tag in HTML is used to define the abbreviation or acronym used in the web page. The tag used for defining the abbreviation is ABBR enclosed within the opening and closing angle bracket. It has a keyword title, and the value passed to the title in the abbreviation tag defines the abbreviation. So this is the place where we actually define the abbreviated value. Let's discuss about the address tag. It is used to display the contact details. Many times on the web page we see that various type of contact addresses are being displayed. So for easily displaying the contact details, we can use the address tag. The tag used for defining the address on a web page is address returned within the opening and closing angle bracket, and this becomes the closing tag for the address tag. The point to note here is that it displays the text in italics by default. Let us take a small demonstration of how this address tag and abbreviation tag works in HTML and HTML5. So here we have a small code written in HTML structure about the abbreviation. Here right now we have not defined any abbreviation yet. Let us first see how this code looks like on a web page. So this is how the web page will look like. Now what my requirement is, if I take a mouse cursor over this IT301, then it should display in text about what this IT301 is all about. If I take a mouse over this HTML, then it should display the full form of HTML. So this is my abbreviated, these are my abbreviated values: IT301 HTML SY. As soon as I take my mouse over these values, it should display the meaning of these values. Now let us make some modifications in our code to see how these things can be achieved. So for doing it, let us make some modifications. Now if I want this course to be abbreviated, I will write an ABBR tag, will assign a title to it. Let's say the title that I want to write is Web Technology. And this becomes the value of title, and this becomes the explanation about it. Let us close this abbreviation tag at this point. Same can be done with HTML. Let us begin the abbreviation tag. Title is equal to hypertext markup language. And let us close the abbreviation tag. The same can be applied at this part. The title will be equal to and close the abbreviation tag. Let us save this file and now see how the web output looks like. So this is not appearing here. Let us see what the problem is. We'll go back to the code. Okay, so we need to close this here. Yeah, now that's fine. We'll go back to the web page. Yeah, so we can see that again this IT301 is not yet abbreviated. Again we'll go back to the code. So there is a spelling mistake out here. It should be title. and I think everything is okay. Save the file, we'll go back. Yeah, so it's I think done now. Now if we take a mouse cursor over this term IT301, it is showing the name of the course or the information which is assigned to IT301. If we take a mouse cursor over HTML, it shows hypertext markup language. If we take a mouse cursor over SY, it shows second year. So like this, if you want any of the information to be abbreviated on the web page, we can use an abbreviation tag. Now let us see how the address tag is used. We'll make some changes in the same code where I will be defining the address tag. So I have started the address tag, and within this address tag I am writing some of the address information. Let us say this is my information. This is my email ID, and this is my contact details. Okay, now let us close the address tag. Yeah, so we have defined the address tag in this part of the code. What this address tag will be read as, the web page will automatically convert this text into italics. Let us save this code and just see how the output on the web page looks like. So we can see that it is showing the address below the thank you, and the information is converted into italics. If you want this to be displayed on the different line, then of course we can use an BR tag. So we can use a BR over here. Yes, so this is the contact information that I have added within the address tag. So this is how we use the abbreviation and address tag in HTML. Hope you have understood the usage of both the tags. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and comment on the video that you have just referred, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.